Today, I'm going to teach you how to reorder or rearrange pages in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is an incredibly useful skill when you need to reorganize documents, move sections around, or fix the order of scanned pages. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open Adobe Acrobat Pro DC on your computer and log in with your credentials. Make sure you're signed in properly so you have access to all the features and your recent files. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main Adobe Acrobat interface where you can start working with your PDF documents. Now, navigate to the Recent Files section. This is usually displayed prominently on the home screen, showing you the PDFs you've worked with lately. From this list, select the PDF file that you want to reorder or rearrange pages in. Click on it to open the document. This will load your PDF and prepare it for editing, so give it a moment if it's a large file. Once your PDF is open, look over to the left panel on your screen. Here, you'll find various tools and options for working with your document. Click on the option labeled Organize Pages. This is the feature that gives you full control over the structure and order of your PDF, allowing you to move, rotate, delete, or insert pages as needed. After clicking Organize Pages, you'll see all the pages of your PDF displayed as thumbnails. This visual layout makes it easy to see exactly what you're working with and where each page needs to go. Now, click and hold on the page thumbnail that you want to move. As you start dragging it, you'll notice a blue line appears between the other page thumbnails. This blue line shows you exactly where the page will be inserted once you release your mouse. Drag the thumbnail to its new position, watching that blue line carefully to ensure you're placing it in the right spot. Once you're satisfied with the placement, release the mouse button to drop the page into its new location. The page will now be reposited and the document will automatically renumber to reflect the change. Alternatively, if you want to rearrange multiple pages at once, like 2 or 3 pages together, press the Control button on your keyboard. While holding Control, click on the additional pages you want to move. This allows you to select multiple thumbnails at the same time. Once you've selected all the pages you need, drag them together to their new position. Again, watch for that blue insertion line to guide you, then release the mouse to drop all the selected pages into place. Now that you've successfully reordered your pages, it's time to save your changes. In the upper left corner of the screen, click on Menu, then select Save from the drop-down options. This ensures that all your rearrangements are permanently applied to the PDF file. And that's it. You've successfully reordered pages in your PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.